housekeeping department. Meron tayong 4 na session na vacuum cleaner. Ito yung body, ito yung head, body, inner, outer, and mga accessories. Dito tayo sa head, may 4 tong parts. Handle, lower port, on and off switch, electric cord. Dito sa body, mayroong dust drum, flexible lock, suction cord, accessories holder, caster foot with storage, caster wheel. Inner section, filter brakes, filter stop. Sa outer, extension 1, flexible hose. Sa mga accessories, wet nozzle, carpet, small brush, and device tool. Thank you.